The device doesn't charge. To protect the screen, we place the protective film tape. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We remove 3 screws. We lift the charging port. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. Now it's time to check if the device works properly. the device is charging properly.